Yes, good afternoon, children.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you seen the video which I have sent yesterday?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Yesterday, we have started with the lesson, SST lesson number 1, Earth, our home, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. In that, listen now, mute yourself everyone please. Mute, mute your phone children. Very good. See here, in that lesson, we have learned that why our Earth is called as a planet of life. Why? Because it supports us to live here. How it support? Because on Earth we get water, air, and land to live. Yes or no? The important thing which we need to live is available on Earth. That's why the Earth is called a planet of life. Our Earth is blessed with water, air, and land, which is very, very important. We need land to live and grow food. We use water for drinking purpose. Yes or no? We need water for drinking purpose and to do other work. The earth is surrounded by the layer called atmosphere. As I said in yesterday's class, our earth is surrounded by the layer which we call atmosphere is very, very important. It is surrounded by the air which we need to breathe. Okay, we need air to breathe. All these things make life possible on Earth. Hence, the Earth is now to be the only planet which supports life. Okay, कोई दूसरे planet पे लोग रहते हैं अर्थ एक छोड़ के कोई दूसरे planet पे लोग रहते हैं? No. Okay, only the planet Earth is supports life. What makes up the Earth? What makes up the Earth, children? Our Earth is one of the 8 planets that moves around the sun. You all know this. Earth moves around the sun. Yes or no? The Earth gets all the warmth and natural light from the sun. The Earth's surface is made up of land and water, and also the air is all around it. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. As I said yesterday, you can see this globe. इसमें ज्यादा कलर कौन सा दिख रहा है आपको? Blue. Yes or no? Because the color blue indicates the water surface on the Earth. So the Earth is covered 75% of water and only the 25% of land. Since most of the Earth's surface is covered with water, it is also known. It is also known as the blue planet. Why it is blue planet? Tell me. Because most of the Earth's surface is covered with water. यहाँ तक हम कल पढ़े थे. Yes. We have learned till here. If you see the yesterday's video, you will understand. And today I am going to teach you the movement of Earth. आपको पता है Earth मूव करता है? The Earth never stands still. वो ऐसे ही कभी नहीं रुकता है. It always move. How? Why it moves? Let me explain. The earth never stands still. It keeps moving all the time. Earth keeps moving all the time. हमको पता चलता है क्या दुनिया घूम रहा है? Do we recognize those movements? Do we feel those movements? Why? This is my question. You have to answer for this question in my next class. Okay? The earth keeps moving all the time. Do you agree with me? Earth keeps moving all the time. Yes? Yes. Yes. Then, why do we never feel this? Earth तो it keep on moving all the time. तो मैं भी ऐसे घूम रही हूँ क्या? अर्थ घूम रहा है करके I am standing still. Why we are not feeling those movement? Why? This is my question for you. You have to answer in the next class. Okay? Remember this question. Search, ask your parent, gather the information. Why we are not feeling the earth? Earth always it keep on moving, but why we are not feeling that? This is my question for you all. Remember this question and I want answer in the next class. Okay? Okay. Now, the earth never stands still. It keeps moving all the time. Two main movements of the earth is there are two main movements of the earth that is rotation and revolution. Okay, two main movement of the earth is rotation and revolution. So what is this rotation? The earth spins like a top. Top पता है ना? जो रस्सी बांध के आप ऐसे जमीन पे डाले तो it moves, it start rotate, right? Our earth is also spin like a top about an imaginary line called axis. See, here you can see one imaginary line. Yes, red color line. You able to see this line? This is the imaginary line called axis. The spinning moment of the earth is known as rotation. ये जो इमेजिनरी लाइन है इसके ऊपर ही दुनिया मीन्स अर्थ रोटेट करता है ओके एंड द स्पिनिंग मूवमेंट ऑफ द अर्थ the spinning movement of the earth is called rotation. Okay, what is rotation? The spinning movement of the earth is called rotation. अर्थ रोटेट करता है इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो कैसे भी रोटेट करता है नो इट मूव ऑन इट्स ओन पाथ दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सिस उसके लिए एक पाथ है पाथ मतलब रास्ता ये जो रेड कलर का है ना उसे बोलते हैं पाथ उसका एक्सिस है वो उसी एक्सिस पे ही रोटेट करता है डू यू नो चिल्ड्रन व्हाई सन रोटेट्स why sun rotates because rotation causes day and night day and night होता है ना day and night होता है कि नहीं yes day and night happens when sun rotates then only day and night happens that's why rotation cause day and night अगर दुनिया ऐसे ही होता तो यहाँ हमेशा डे ही होता नाइट ही नहीं होता डे एंड नाइट इसलिए होता है बिकॉज आवर अर्थ रोटेट्स ऑन इट्स ओन पाथ now I will show you see can you see the light can you see the light
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Imagine that this is the sun. मैं sun को ला नहीं सकती ना, so we just imagine that this is the sun. What it is? See, मैं इस पे लाइट छोड़ती हूँ, ओके, और ये रोटेट कर रहा है. सी दिस इज रोटेटिंग. जहां जहां सनलाइट पड़ रहा है वहां डे होता है, और इसके पीछे की हिस्सा जो है, मैं यहाँ से लाइट छोड़ती हूँ तो इसके पीछे का हिस्सा यहाँ पर तो डार्क ही रहेगा, है ना. सी जिस हिस्से पे लाइट पड़ रहा है ना, सिर्फ वहां डे होता है. जहां लाइट नहीं पड़ता है इस साइड, वहां नाइट होता है. व्हेन इट रोटेट्स, जस्ट अ मिनट. What happened? See here. Now you can see. Now you can see now. See, think that this is the sunlight. See here. You can see my finger. हाँ. See, यहाँ sunlight पड़ रहा है. So here it will be a day, and here जो नीचे की हिस्सा है, here, see here, this part will not get sunlight. Please mute children, mute yourself. You are disturbing the class. Mute. Rajveer,
Yes, ma'am.
mute. Kabir, mute. Kabir, mute.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
But here, mute please. See here, you can see the sunlight over here. See, the sun is rotating. Kabir, please mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
See here, you can see the sunlight, and the earth is rotating on its axis. Wherever it is getting the light from the sun, there will be the daytime, and the part where sunlight is not reaching, that will be considered as a night. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the last warning for Kabir. Please mute. Kabir, mute. Oh my God. Anna.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell him to mute. See, this is called rotation. Okay? The earth never stands still. It always rotates on its path, that is called axis. Okay? It always moves. Rotation causes day and night. How it causes day and night, children? The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. See, अर्थ एक रोटेशन लेने के लिए, एक बार घूमने के लिए कितना टाइम लेता है? अर्थ टेक्स 24 hours. Yes, Earth takes 24 hours. Okay. It takes 24 hours to rotate once. See, अभी मैं ऐसे rotation 1 minute में करती हूँ, right? Not even 1 minute. But the Earth takes 24 hours to rotate once. So 24 hours हम कैसे लेते हैं? How we consider 24 hours? 1 day. Yes or no? 1 day is equal to 24 hours. उसमें 12 hours day, 12 hours night. थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे होता है hours में. When the earth rotates a part of its part of it faces the sun, this part of the earth that receives sunlight has day. As I showed just now, जब हम यहाँ से टॉर्च या लाइट छोड़ते हैं, see, जो पार्ट सनलाइट को रिसीव कर रहा है, द पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ विच इज रिसीविंग द सनलाइट इज अ डे, द पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ विच इज नॉट रिसीविंग द सनलाइट इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ नाइट. ओके, द अर्थ that is away from the sun, the earth which is away from the sunlight is considered as a night. Thus, the rotation of the earth causes day and night. Did you understand this part, children? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
You all understood why we need this earth rotation? Why the rotation of earth is very, very important, and what happens when earth rotates? What happens when earth rotates? Yes, rotation of the earth. Listen, rotation of the earth causes day and night. Okay. This part is clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Rotation. Why rotation? Why rotation is important? Because rotation of the earth causes day and night. Now tell me, children, how many earth takes to rotate once? Very good, Aditya. 24 hours. It takes 24 hours to rotate once, and 24 hours is considered as 1 day. Okay. Now, my next question is the part of the earth. Listen, the part of the earth which receives the sunlight is called day. Okay. And the part of the earth which is not receiving the sunlight is called night. It is as simple as, okay. Yes. Okay. So you all understood this rotation of earth, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. Okay. In next class we will discuss about the revolution of earth. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. I hope that you all have understood this part. Rotation of the earth, how it rotates, where it rotates on its path, that is called axis. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And
Yes,
rotation causes day and night. Yes? Yes. And once again, I will ask you the question that earth never stands still. It keeps moving all the time, but still we don't feel that movement. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And my question is why? Why we don't feel that movement of the earth? Okay, in next class you have to tell the answer for this.
Yes, ma'am.
आप कैसे एक्सप्लेन करना चाहते हो? इफ यू वांट टू डू एनी व्हाट वी से model, then you can to explain the class. Any chart you want to prepare? No problem, you can. I will give you 5 minute time to explain the movement of the earth which we are not which we don't feel. Okay, I will give you 5 minute time in next class that you have to explain to the class. Okay. Okay. Now, shall we end the class here? Yes. My question is, just a minute. Yes, children. My question is, the earth keeps moving all the time. Yes or no? The earth, see here, the earth keeps moving all the time. Why do we never feel this? The earth keeps moving all the time, but why do we never feel this? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yeah, ma'am. What is the answer?
Answer you have to tell me in the next class. Okay? Okay. Shall we end our class here, children? Take care, okay? Read the lesson. Yes, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.